Hi friends, how are you? Expected you are well. Today I am uh, recharging for Google My Business keyword research. First of all, I will see competitor website. 5 competitor website I will see. Then I will find my potential keyword. Then I implement my GMB profile. Okay, I will go my competitor GPP. Okay, my niche is barber shop. I will keyword research for barber. This is my competitor. One, two, one, two, and three. Okay. How how I can keyword research? How I can keyword research for Google My Business? And how is implement? First of all, I will see competitor Google Business profile and website. This is the first competitor GBP and website. This is the first competitor GBP. Also have website. I will just open a new tab, and this is the second competitor. Also this GBP has website. I will open like new tab, and this is the three website competitor. I will open this new tab. Okay, I will see this competitor website. Click month first. This is the new tab. Let's see what are- Okay, this is the second competitor, and it is the third competitor. I will find out all keyword this from this competitor. Okay, this is the first competitor website, and I will keyword research for my Google My Business profile. Okay, I am copy. I have copied this URL and uh, uh, I I am opening my paid tools SEMrush. Okay, SEMrush. I am a place will place this domain. Then I check search. This is the overview. My competitor website. Okay, we get this computer get traffic 1200 traffic. Her keywords perform 45. I will open this keyword and I will see which keyword performing and and I am selection keywords then I place in the Google sheet. Okay, this computer get traffic 413 traffic. This is search volume 880 KD, keyword difficulty 30, 168 traffic 122. All keyword I listed in Google sheet. Okay, let's export here. Export here Excel sheet. Okay, open the new sheet and file, import, upload and variant of here. It's complete. Okay, I cannot get all data. Some data uh, I will get. Okay, which data I want need. Keyword position pack is yes. Okay, local pack. This is not important. Completely is not important. Topic. Okay, I will delete this. Okay, we will work in Google Sheet, not Excel sheet. Copy. So okay, it have exports here. Exports in Google Sheet. Export data. Okay. Uh, I will not get all data. This data Is going data important? I get this data. Okay, this data I delete. I'm deleting this data. Okay, delete. Okay, I know this CPC. I know the delete data. I know it. Here, position, this position to location. I know it. Delete. We will need this data. Okay, that's okay. Data. Okay, Control X will cut the center. Paste. Vector. Okay, we say this enter. Okay, now, so this is the process for keyword recharge completed. This keyword I will place my Google business profile and also my local website. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the process.